guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this awesome iPad, so let's get started. Around the box there isn't much to show you, but on the bottom you will see the serial number, and on the sides there will be these tabs that you just have to pull to open up the box. So let's just open this up. We're going to see what's inside. So here we go. Let's just put the iPad on the side for now and take a look at what's inside the box. So we got our manual, cable, charger, and that's it. So on this shot, you're seeing everything that comes within the box. So let's just start off with the manuals. And they will be in several languages, plus some paperwork here, and obviously your stickers. So I think I'm missing one. Nope, nothing missing actually. So let's just take a look. We got the French version. I'm guessing this is the English one. Yep. So this just gives you an idea of how this works, but just a really quick idea. And here we go with the power cable. So this is to charge our iPad. Let's just take this off and take a look at it. Here we go. All right. So the cable itself, I know a lot of you are watching this video just because of this actually, and there are no markings around the cable. The only markings you're going to see is in one of the sides, and I'm going to zoom in so I can show you. It's on this side of the cable, and here we go. So it's very hard to zoom in on this and actually show you, but those are the markings down here below. Again, so hard to show you guys what it even says there, but that's the only marking that you guys are going to see around the cable. There's not going to be an Apple logo here, or anything like that. Just up here, there's some writing. And on the cable itself, again, nothing. But this is USB-C. And then we got our brick. So let's just take this out. So here we go. Again, there's not going to be any markings around it except for this part. And I'll zoom in on it a little bit right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So right here, you guys are going to see actually a lot of information about this. Here it is. And you will notice it's the exact same one for all other newer iPads. Same one. No difference. Anyways, let's just get down to the iPad finally, and let's open it up to see how it looks. So here we go. Let's just take this out. Now, I personally was really curious about this iPad and the color, because it's one of those colors that not that many people are going to get, but it's a pretty neat one actually. It's very, very shiny. So there's not that much to show you around the iPad itself, but here's the camera. I'm going to show you the ports. It's only one, by the way. Serial number and all that stuff you guys are going to see down here below anyways. And right here is the port. So again, there's really only one port. If we turn this around, you guys are going to see this. A lot of people won't even care about this because you won't get a keyboard. Others will. And then on this side, speakers. Oh yeah, power button. And then on the top, you've got your volume keys. But again, it's a really minimal design. It's pretty thin. And if you had an older iPad before, you would have noticed the camera was on the sides. And now it's right here. So it's like a horizontal view. It's up here actually, the camera. So it's no longer vertical, it's horizontal. So that's where they place the camera now. That's the big change. But anyways, let's just turn this on for the first time so you guys can get a look up to where exactly the screen goes, because it doesn't go up to the sides right here. It makes it look like that, but once you actually turn it on, you will notice up to where it goes. Here you go. So this is how it looks, and yes, you can't really appreciate fully how crisp and neat the screen looks right here, but it's a good glimpse at it at least. So once again, this is just a regular unboxing video. If you guys want to check this out and see it in action, make sure to check out the setup video and manual for it. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.